In this exercise, we'll be studying about the conversion of different measurement units. Suppose mm mean millimeter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter, kilometer to meter, and vice versa. So let's see further. Keep in mind this diagram, the shifting of decimal in case you are multiplying a number, a decimal number, to any number which is a multiple of 10, suppose 100. So 100 multiplied by 2.3. So the decimal will shift in case of division to the left side, and in case of multiplication it will shift to the right side according to the number of zeros. We will see them practically in the coming slides. Another important point here, while converting a big number into small number, suppose meter into centimeter, we have to divide. While small number into big number means small unit into big unit, suppose centimeter into kilometer, so we will multiply. Here two examples have been given for you. 1 meter into centimeter, so 1 multiplied by 100, and 5 centimeter into meter. Centimeter is smaller than meter, so we will divide 500 divided by 100. Question 1 says, if the length of the size of length is equal to, or you can say the length is 10 meter, breadth is 50 centimeter, we have to calculate the answer according to the unit which is given in the bracket here. So we have to find the area in centimeter square. Look here, it is meter and it is centimeter, mean both are different, but we have to find the area in centimeter. So first we will convert 10 meter into centimeters. Keep in mind meter is bigger than centimeter, so revise that point which I explained to you now in the previous slide. When we are converting a big unit into small unit, what we should do? We should divide, or we should multiply. Yes, we have to multiply. Converting big unit into small unit, we have to multiply. So 10 multiplied by 100. Here a question comes that why multiply by 100? Why not 1000? Why not 2000? Because we have to first find a unit, mean what is 1 meter equal to how many centimeters. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. That's why we will multiply 100 by 10 or 10 by 100. So we got 100 centimeter. So the area will be 50 multiplied by 1000. So we got 50,000 centimeters square. That is the area of the given question. Question 2 says, if the length is 6 centimeter and the width or the breadth is 30 millimeter, both are different, one is big and one is small. The answer we have to find in millimeter square. So we will convert centimeter into millimeter. This 6 centimeter into millimeter. Keep in mind 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 6 multiplied by 10 equal to 60 millimeter. Area will be 60 multiplied by 30. Why? How? This 6 centimeter equal to 60 millimeter, and this is already millimeter, so we will keep it exactly like that. We will not change. So 60 multiplied by 30, 3 multiplied by 6, 18, and these two 0 will come. So 60 multiplied by 30, we got 800 millimeter square. Question 4 says, length is 140 centimeter and width or breadth is 1 meter. This is centimeter and this is meter. Keep in mind 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. We will change this meter into centimeter. because here the condition says that you have to find the answer in centimeter square. Convert 1 meter into centimeter first. So 1 multiplied by 100, we got 100. Area is equal to length by breadth. Length is width is 100, we got from here, and 140 is given in the question. So area is equal to 14,000 centimeters square. 14 multiplied by 1, 14, and these 3 0 will come down. Find the area of the rectangle when or if length is 400 centimeter and breadth is 200 centimeter. We have to find in meter square. Keep in mind here both units are against the condition, so we have to convert both of them. There are two ways. First, find the area, then multiply the area by 100. Why by 100? Because here it is meter, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Or the second method, which I have explained here, that first we will convert this, then we will convert this, and then we will multiply L by B, mean the converted value of 400 centimeter to meter, and the value which we will get from 200 centimeter and meters. So we will multiply both of them. Convert both 400 centimeter and 200 centimeter into meters. 400 divided by 100 equal to 4. Now here the point comes that why in the previous question we multiplied, now we are dividing, because this is small and this is big. I mean we are converting the small unit into big unit, therefore we will divide. Likewise the breadth, 200 centimeter divided by 100, so we got 2 meter. This is also meter, this is also meter. So area is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, 8 meters square. I hope it's clear. Still, if there is any problem, you can write to me. Next question says, question 7. If the length is 5 by 2, that is equal to 2.5 meter, and breadth is the 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5 meter. But the answer we have to find in centimeter. Now we are converting the big unit into small unit. To see, this is meter and this is centimeter. So let's convert them first. 2.5 multiplied by 100. Why? Because 2.5 it's a meter. Meter is bigger than centimeter, so we will multiply 2.5 by 100. The criteria which I explained in the second slide to you with the help of a diagram, that in multiplication the decimal will go to the right side according to the number of zeros, and multiplication. So there the number of zeros is 2, so this point will shift to the right side 2 times. So 1 and 2, it will come 2 times, so it will become 250. Why 0 comes here? Because after 5 there is nothing, and we have to shift this point 2 times. So to satisfy the condition we have to put 10. So it will become 150. Otherwise you can use the manual way which you have learned in the earlier classes, 1.5 multiplied by 100, or with the help of calculator you can only check. Don't use calculator frequently in this level. So we will multiply 250 multiplied by 150. We got 37,500 centimeters square. Next question says, if the length is 0.5 kilometer and the breadth is 0.05 kilometer, find the answer in meter. Kilometer is bigger or meter is bigger? Obviously kilometer is bigger than meter. So big unit into small unit, mean convert big into small, we will multiply or divide. Of course we will divide. We learned this in the previous exercise, in the previous slides. So convert both 0.54 and 0.05 kilometer into meters. So we will multiply 0.45 multiplied by 1000. Why by 1000? Because kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That's why we will multiply by 1000. The second one, 0.05 multiplied by 1000. Now here I forgot to explain that this point will shift to the right side 3 times. So there are two numbers already, and we will put 1 0 to satisfy the condition. Because there are 3 zeros, so we have to shift this 3 times. So 1 2 3. Here it was actually between 4 and 5, before the 4. So 1 2 and 3. So the decimal came here after the 0, but it's invisible. Keep in mind that every number has a decimal at the right side, but that we don't write. Likewise here 0.05, this point will shift to the right side 3 times. So why 3 times? Because there are 3 zeros. So look, 1 2 and 3, it will come here. We have to put 1 0 here to satisfy the condition, because we need to shift this point 3 times. So 1 2 3, because 3 zeros. 1 2, so look, before this 5 there was 1 0, this 0. So 1 2 and 3, the point came here 50.00. This is actually 50 point is here, but we don't write. As I have told you, every number has a decimal at the right side. Now find the area, length multiplied by breadth. So for 50 multiplied by 50, we got 22,500 meters square. By this we end up the exercise. If there is any problem, feel free to write to me. I hope it was easy exercise, and keep in mind these rules, they really will be quite handy in the coming grades. Thank you very much.